Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun.
I walk early to the bank, feeling calm and ready. The morning sunlight makes the quiet street look warm today. I hold important documents safely inside my small brown folder. The bank entrance opens slowly with a soft automatic sound. A polite security guard greets me kindly at the door. I thank him and step inside the cool, bright lobby. Several customers wait quietly in comfortable chairs near large windows. I take a number from the small ticket machine quickly. My number shows a long wait before my turn arrives. I choose an empty seat beside a friendly older woman. She smiles gently and continues reading her small newspaper again. I check my documents carefully to be organized for everything. A worker calls numbers loudly from behind the main counter. People stand slowly and walk forward when their numbers appear. The room feels peaceful with soft music playing very quietly. I watch employees helping customers with patient, calm, friendly service. My number finally appears on the bright digital screen above. I stand up quickly and walk toward the open counter. A banker welcomes me warmly and offers a comfortable chair. She asks how she can help me during today's visit. I explain that I need to open a new account. She nods kindly and requests my passport for identification purposes. I hand her the passport and wait patiently for instructions. She types information carefully into her computer without any mistakes. She asks me to confirm my address written on the form. I read the form slowly and agree everything looks correct. She prints several papers and places them neatly before me. She explains each document using simple, clear English for understanding. I appreciate her patience because my English is still basic. I sign the documents carefully using a black office pen. She checks the signatures and smiles, saying everything looks perfect. She asks if I also want a small debit card. I agree happily because it will help me pay easily.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
She requests a quick digital photo for the bank system. I sit straight while the small camera takes my picture. She thanks me and continues entering information into the computer. She asks how much money I want to deposit today. I count my cash slowly and place it on the counter. She takes the money and runs it through the machine. The machine clicks loudly while checking every bill for safety. She prints a receipt showing my new balance, clearly for record. I look at the receipt and feel relieved and happy. She asks if I need help using online banking services. I nod because online banking seems confusing for me now. She explains everything slowly, showing examples on her computer screen. I learn how to check balances and send easy transfers. Her clear explanations make everything look simple and helpful. She hands me a small brochure with step-by-step online instructions. I thank her again for taking time to help me. She tells me my debit card will be ready shortly. I wait in a nearby chair, feeling relaxed and comfortable. A worker brings my card inside a small white envelope. She asks me to sign the back for security reasons. I sign my name carefully using slow, neat handwriting. Today. She places the card inside a protective cover for me. She explains how to use the card safely in stores. I listen closely and ask questions when something feels unclear. She answers politely and makes everything easy to understand. I thank her for being patient with my beginner English. I walk toward the exit, feeling proud of my progress. I feel confident knowing I can manage my money independently. I plan to check my online banking later this afternoon. My phone buzzes with a message from the bank confirmation. I read the message carefully and feel happy. Everything works. I imagine using my card during future purchases very easily. The day feels productive because I handled everything successfully today.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.